This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracy Young. An absolutely stunning renovation showcases coastal casual elegance in the heart of the Park Shore beachfront. Only neutral diagonal tile and rich white plank wood flooring throughout, no carpet here. The walk-through kitchen, both baths, wet bar and the laundry feature light wood cabinetry, new marble and neutral granite countertops. Both bedrooms are huge and have sliding door access to the wraparound balcony with sunrise to sunset Gulf of Mexico views, all new impact windows and sliding doors, neutral granite and marble choices, and every unit in the entire building features a new leak detection system. Find all the luxuries of the newest buildings right here. 24-hour man lobby, fitness center with steam room, fabulous social room offering a wet bar, pool table, large screen TV, fully stocked catering kitchen with ice maker, 2 dishwashers and plenty of granite counter space. The outdoor space is incredible, featuring coral stone brick paver deck, a covered poolside Tiki bar with French fireplace, 3 new gas grills, elevated beach observation deck and just steps here, lighted walkways, landscape park, the beach and Gulf of Mexico. This special residence is immaculate and priced to sell now. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Young at 239-209-7511.